Hi, this is Amos and I want to talk to you about using technology. And the reason I want to talk to you about this is because it's something that's new for me. It's not exactly super new technology, but it's a method of creating videos fairly quickly and one that I'll be using for my students. So what it is essentially me using a Wavecom tablet, which looks like this. And it's a really neat system. I've kind of messed around with a few different things and come up with a system for sketching and capturing what I'm doing with a few other cool little features. So what you see me doing right now is I have this Wavecom tablet and I'm drawing in OneNote. Alright, so Microsoft OneNote. And the other thing I'm doing as I describe this is I'm simply using a secondary screen and dragging icons of images across and they appear on the screen here. So it's a really cool feature that I've discovered works nicely in OneNote. So I'm sitting here with my main screen and I've got OneNote open and I've got my secondary screen over here with my little icons on here, and actually I've got a Word document open with a little list of prompts for me to talk about in this blog. And when I want to show you something like this image that I just dragged on here, I simply drag it with my mouse and drag it onto the screen. And it's a really nice, easy way to create fast videos. And this is what I'll be using for my students this year. What I also wanted to add is I'm capturing this using this capture software. So I'm dragging an image back on here again using software called Snagit. Now Snagit is a screen capture software available from a company called TechSmith. Now if you do a Google search you'll see they come up. Snagit's a very simple capture software for both images and video. So what I'm going to do once I've captured this video that you're looking at right now in Snagit, I will output it to Camtasia. And why Camtasia? Because it allows me additional editing features which I'll use to take out all the wrong things I say and all the little mistakes. So quick edit in Camtasia, and then it's uploaded to YouTube and then linked through to you. You may be watching this video on the Puna WordPress blog, and that's where I intend to put all my screencast blogs. So that's kind of a thing I'm doing this year. A couple of other things I want to note about what I'm doing here is that the facility to create what's called sections in OneNote is really cool. So what I can do, for example, you can't see me, but I've got my mouse and I'm clicking above here to create a new section, or I could look at one that I've already got prepared. So I can create these sections in tabs and have those already prepared across the top. The other neat thing here is that I can drag Word or PDF documents onto the screen. Now I've already dragged this one, I'm going to delete it, but if I move my mouse across to my secondary screen, I'll delete this too, and simply click and drag the icon on, it asks me to attach or insert, and I'll hit insert printout, and there's the Word document. So it's a nice, quick, easy way to get documents on screen to view, and it works for PDF files as well. Now one of the nice things about doing it in OneNote is that after I've done the screen capture, this document is available with each of the slides that I've created and is saved up to the cloud. So I've got instant backup as well. Now instant backup is very cool, firstly, and secondly, having these slides means that students can review the slides if they need to, or I can go back and review the slides if I need. So it's a great setup for me, and you know, this is actually the first video I've done, so see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Check out the later blog videos I'll be putting up.